forests to sawmills and veneer factories. It's a striking testament to how human ingenuity and raw determination keep Canada's logging industry in motion year after year, decade after decade. From the deep heart of the forest, where towering pines and firs have stood for decades, colossal logs are transported to a state-of-the-art LVL and plywood plant. Here, raw timber is meticulously transformed into precision-engineered building material ready to serve as the backbone of modern architecture. This journey from tree to beam is a seamless blend of technology, skill, and craftsmanship. Inside the plant, machines move with astonishing accuracy. Blades glide along the logs like giant pencils being sharpened, peeling away thin, flawless sheets of veneer in a continuous ribbon. Each sheet is carefully inspected, with any imperfections removed, ensuring that only the highest quality veneer moves on to the next stage. The veneers are then carefully aligned, grain to grain, layer upon layer, before being fed into massive hot presses. Under heat and pressure, the layers fuse together to form LVL beams of extraordinary strength, capable of supporting modern homes, long-span bridges, and massive industrial structures. The factory operates with near total automation, each step monitored by advanced computer systems controlling moisture, temperature, and pressure to ensure perfect consistency. Some LVL billets reach astonishing lengths, allowing architects and engineers to design bold spans and open spaces without a hint of steel reinforcement, all while preserving the natural beauty of the wood. Once pressed, the beams are cooled, trimmed, and finished with millimeter-level precision using advanced saws and scanners. Each beam is stamped with certification, confirming it meets North American standards for strength and safety. Quality control teams continuously test samples from each batch, checking bending strength, stiffness, and adhesive integrity, ensuring every piece can withstand even the harshest conditions, from suburban homes to large-scale infrastructure projects. Each veneer sheet is first dry cured and inspected, then sorted into categories based on thickness, grain consistency, and overall grade. Higher quality sheets move on to become finished plywood, while the tougher, more uniform layers are reserved for structural applications in engineered wood. The process then shifts to the pressing line. Veneer layers are carefully aligned, coated with adhesive, and loaded into a high-temperature press. Under massive pressure, the sheets bond together into a single, rigid panel. The phenolic resin used here provides excellent durability, moisture resistance, and long-term stability. Every press cycle is tightly controlled, pressure, heat, and timing to ensure a flawless bond across the entire panel. The result is a material that merges natural wood aesthetics with the precision of industrial engineering. After pressing, each panel moves through final finishing, trimming the edges, sanding the surfaces, and passing through detailed quality checks. Automated scanners and experienced inspectors work in unison to confirm that every sheet meets exact manufacturing standards before leaving the line. By this point in the journey, what began as massive logs deep in the forest has become carefully engineered material, ready for furniture, flooring, and construction. Every stage is designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Bark, sawdust, and trim waste are reclaimed and transformed into energy or secondary products. Nothing goes to waste. This is the art of plywood production, where nature and technology unite to create wood that is strong, versatile, and built to endure. In Canada, where forestry is both an economic backbone and a source of national pride, this blend of innovation, efficiency, and environmental care defines the future of wood manufacturing.